Hi, I'm Saksham Gupta.
I'm Pratik Khare.
I started Erudite in 2017 January, and Pratik joined me approximately 6 months joined down the line. So, Pratik, why did you join Erudite? What was your mission?
I think were we not partying when I made the call? No. Just kidding. Why I joined the mission was I was very uh, connected to the thought wherein we would be able to assist students actually make that leap with trusted advisory on what course to look into or what university to choose, because I don't think we had that kind of sort of guidance during our times back in school. So yeah.
Truly, truly. And why I started was because I saw, like, I had mates from different continents and different classes, different part of the world, and they were telling me stories of that how they were getting scammed and how, they did not had a trusted advisor to help them study abroad, especially in African continent. Like, they did not have a trusted name. And so when I started out and Pratik was on his mission, I said, let's join hands and do something together to, bring more impact to life. And what keeps us, like 10 years down the line, what keeps us driving forward every day? Right now we are in Czech Republic, we are going Budapest, then we are going Poland, we're exploring more and more universities. What keeps us moving? Let's hear it from Pratik first.
I think for me it would be that after every successful student that we assist and the moment they take their flights, one, the happiness, the smile on their faces, and second, every single time a mother, a father, a brother, a sister texts me, calls me, speaks to me, and that emotion that they have, that thank you so much for changing our lives, assisting my kid, my brother, my sister to be able to change what we have seen. uh, I think that's something that keeps me going. Yeah.
Perfect. And I think it's similar for us. I wanted to make an impact to, when I once first traveled to Africa, I thought I'll make an impact to this community. I have to make sure that this community gets a chance and, I become a part of it. I call myself a son of Africa. I've traveled more than 20 countries in Africa itself. So I think that that's the cause that we are doing something which can help change lives. We're bringing study abroad affordably. We are partnering with universities for getting access to exclusive scholarships which are available only with Erudite. So we invite, like, we just tell people we are our advising is completely free of cost. Our applications are paid. That too depends on the university applications, but advising is free of cost. So I don't see a reason that a student, why they should not just drop by our office or drop a hello and just get our free access to the advising, services, and then they decide for themselves. And we, in last 10 years, what do you think? We have assisted about, like, how many students?
If we talk about the impact that we've created and the students that we have directly communicated to, myself, yourself, our team, I'm 100% sure it should be somewhere more than about close to 500,000 students that we've impacted. And the students that we have assisted to actually take the leap, study abroad with Erudite, it's going to be somewhere around 6 to 8,000 students that we have assisted so far.
So we say 5,000 plus. He's saying 6 to 8,000. He's the data guy, so we have to trust him. So guys, this is your call as well. If you're seeing this video, we are making it so that, and we both are computer science engineers, by the way. We were doing computer science engineering. We wanted to be the coders or work in Google or Microsoft, and now we help people become more computer science engineers and maybe work at Google, Microsoft. So yeah, if you want to live the dream, if you want to travel, just follow your call. And if your call today is that you want to at least explore options of study abroad, then don't wait. This is your chance. This is your call. Let's just apply with Erudite or just consult with Erudite or to our team so that we can help you study abroad.
I think what we have also done is, because we know that we want to reach out to every single student and we want you to drop by our offices and meet us definitely, but we know some of you can't. So, what we have tried to do is include technology, and we have now created a platform which is matchmyuni.com, wherein every single one of you can log into it, get all these advisories, options available to you at the ease of your palm, and just log in, find out all the options, and I hope we are able to help you.
Perfect. And you know why we named Match My Uni? Because I was in my college time, we used to see how Tinder works and we used to match girls on Tinder, swiping left or right. So we thought, why not? A student like you who has got an eligible profile, you can match with your university. It's as simple as swiping right or left. and you do not have to waste time just swiping right or left on Tinder. You can actually go to the website, create your profile, and find your right match. So, guys, signing off. Founder, co-founder, Erudite, Saksham, Pratik, Erudite. Study abroad with
Erudite.